dear little friends. Welcome to today's show, where we'll explore a magical world full of cuteness, the world of kittens. Have you ever wondered what you would do if you found a newborn kitten at home? Don't worry, today's video is all about teaching you how to be the best kitten caretaker ever. Oh, look! Here's an adorable little kitten that hasn't even opened its eyes yet. Before taking care of kittens, let's first understand what they need. Kittens, just like us, need love, care, and special attention. Since kittens are very small, they need a warm and comfortable place. You can prepare a small cage with soft blankets, just like a cozy bed. Remember, kittens can't control their body temperature, so keeping them warm is crucial. Kittens are tiny, so we need to be like good friends and give them love and care. Gently stroke them to make them feel secure. You can talk to them, letting them know you're their good friend. This will make the kittens very happy. Kittens, like us, need to eat well to grow strong. But they can't eat regular food like adults, so we need something special. The favorite drink for kittens is kitten milk. You can find special kitten milk powder at a pet store. Then, use a small bottle to feed them, just like feeding a baby. Kittens need to eat at regular times, just like we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can feed them in the morning, noon, and evening. Remember, a little bit of food is enough each time because kittens have small tummies. Sometimes kittens' stomachs may be a bit sensitive, so we need to be careful about the food we choose. If you have any doubts, it's best to ask Mom and Dad or a vet. Kittens, like us, like to live in a clean place. We need to make sure their home is always clean so that they can be happy. Kittens play on their beds, so we need to change their blankets frequently to keep their play and rest area clean. Kittens may not know how to clean themselves yet, so we need to help them. You can use wet wipes or a soft towel to gently wipe their bodies to keep them tidy. Playing with kittens is a great way to keep them happy. You can use small toys to spark their interest, but make sure the toys are safe and won't harm the kittens. Wow, did you see that? Taking care of kittens is actually a lot of fun. We learned about providing love and care, giving them a warm home, taking care of their nutrition, and keeping their environment clean. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to spend wonderful moments with your kittens. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Meow meow.